Here we have an economic situation where we're given the quantity demanded and quantity supplied. We need to find the equilibrium price and quantity. So at equilibrium, quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. The quantity demanded is 80 minus 2p. Our quantity supplied is 20 plus 3p. We'll move the 2p over to the right by adding 2p to both sides. That gives us a total of 5p. And we'll subtract 20 from both sides, giving us 60 on the left. So 60 equals 5p, which means p is equal to $12. Now, given that we know that our price is $12, we can find the quantity by solving for either QD or QS. They're the same. In this case, we'll find QS. That's 20 plus 3 times 12. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 plus 20 is 56 units. Okay. So that's our equilibrium price and quantity. Our equilibrium price is 12. Our equilibrium quantity is 56. So here's the situation. Here's our downslope demand. And we have our upslope supply. This point here is our equilibrium. And that's Q equals 56, P equals 12. Now in this particular situation, part B says our price is $12. Our price is $10. We know the equilibrium is 12, which means the price is a hair lower. So somewhere down there. At that price, we've got a quantity supplied. So the quantity on the supply curve is down here. And the quantity demanded, or the quantity on the demand curve, is over here, which means we have a higher amount demanded than we do supplied. So in this case, we have a shortage. We have a shortage because there is more quantity demanded than there is quantity supplied. So part C asks, what's likely to happen? Well, what's likely to happen is we're going to move along these two curves and end up in a situation where the price increases and goes up from 10 to 12. The quantity supplied is going to increase from this amount up here. And as it increases with an increase in price, the amount demanded is going to decrease until we end up at our equilibrium quantity here, which we'll call Q star, right? And our associated price here, P star. So the quantity supplied is going to go up. The quantity demanded is going to go down, right? It's going to go to the left. And our price is going to go from $10 up to $12. So the likely result is an increase in price and quantity demanded will be equal to the quantity supplied, and that will be 56 units. Now again, the quantity supplied here was less than 56 units, right? This is 56, so it's less than 56. The quantity demanded was greater than 56. So the quantity demanded decreases, the quantity supplied increases, but they equal out at 56 units.